Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will demonstrate how to insert extra lines into the journal log. You can see I have 58 rows here. I had a question from somebody who asked me, how do I insert extra rows? So I will exactly show you this. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you see I have like a copy row on the bottom of the journal and it's added the text to add lines, insert new rows above the copy row, and then copy the copy row onto the new inserts and adjust the sequence number. So I will exactly do what I'm telling here. So imagine that you are more or less at row 50 for entering trades and you want to add a few extra lines. For example, I would select, let's say, the last 7 lines here. I will right click on the mouse and I will insert 8 rows below. And as you can see, 8 rows are inserted below. Now, in order to make them completely with all the formulas in all the different fields for all of these rows, I need to copy the copy row. I will copy it. I will reselect the rows that I've just inserted and I will paste the copy rows into those new inserted rows. And as you can see, of course, the numbering is here interrupted. I will just select a few of the numbers here and I will drag them down. And now I've inserted a couple of new rows and I can continue. Thank you, Frank, for the question, and I hope that I've showed exactly how to enter new rows into the journal. Bye for now and talk to you later. Bye.